In today's digital world, privacy is becoming more and more important, so it's no wonder that many people want to control who can see when they're active on social media. If you're using Snapchat and want to hide your activity status from friends, this guide is for you. In the following steps, I'll show you how to turn off the activity indicator on Snapchat and ensure your status stays private. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on new tutorials I post. Now, go to the home screen of your phone, find the Snapchat app, and open it. Once you're in, the next step is to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to open your profile page. When you're on your profile, the next step is to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. Once you're on the settings page, the next thing you need to do is find the activity indicator option. So scroll down, and when you find that option, tap on it to open it. And finally, just tap the switch next to the activity indicator option to turn it off. And that's it. Once you've turned off the activity indicator, your online presence on Snapchat will no longer be visible to friends. You can enjoy the app without worrying about who sees when you're online, and your privacy is preserved. If you want to turn the activity indicator back on, just follow the same steps. I hope this video was helpful, and that you've successfully turned off the activity indicator. If so, it would mean a lot to me if you leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Well, see you soon, friends, and thank you so much for watching.